how I maintain my starter. I don't. Discard. Drippy, soaky, leaky bitch, discard. Discard. This one's my active starter that I just put in here because this was too messy. In this one I have water and a squirt of dishwasher solution. That's supposed to get all of the yuckiness off. So I'm just gonna set this over here. My starter. Okay, these are some of the things that I do. I don't know if it's right. I don't know if it's wrong. Literally, I have no idea. I do feed my starter a big feed before I'm about to bake with it. Usually that means I have to discard some. All brand new discard. This is really old discard. So I discard some, do a big feed it, I bake with it. Sometimes if it still looks bubbly, I bake with it even after it's fallen. If it's been within 12 to 24 hours, it doesn't matter. Too many rules. There are too many rules with sourdough. I don't know, it was too much for me. So I just pick and chose what rules I want to follow. I used to feed my starter every single day and keep it. Why does my hand keep doing that? I used to keep my starter on the counter and feed it every single day. And I was baking a bread loaf every single day because I didn't want a bunch of discard and I didn't know what to do. That's not the life. The max that I will leave my discard on the counter without feeding it is about 2 days, I've noticed. By the third day, it starts to get a little sus. As long as you don't see any yellow, orange, pink mold growing on the top, it's fine. If you see this like dark liquid, that's just called hooch, just means it's hungry. If your starter smells like acid and literal alcohol, that just means it's very hungry. So you might have to feed it 1 or 2 times before you actually bake with it. Usually I'll feed it at night and then I'll feed it again in the morning right before I bake. Anyway, that's what I do with my starter. Also, sometimes if it's been like 2 days and I don't want to feed it and have a bunch of discard, but I know I'm going to use it in like 2 or 3 days, sometimes I will just stick it in the fridge. I don't know, I'll let it sit in there for a couple days, pull it out when I'm ready to use it again. Fuck around and find out. That is the theme of this video. I hope that was helpful. I hope I answered a lot of your questions.